All right, this has been the snowiest month of the season thus far for both Fargo and Grand Forks. And Grand Forks reporting 18.5 inches at the airport for a total for the season of 43.9. A typical winter, we get about 50 inches on average. We are well on our way with more snow in the forecast. And for tonight, basically between I-94 and Highway 2, we still have a fairly healthy band of snow. Most of it just north or west of the FM area, right into Grand Forks, where they continue to add to their 4-inch total, which makes this the snowiest February on record at the National Weather Service office there. Out toward the Twin Cities, they were hammered today with snow. Winter storm warnings continue in that direction. But for us, a winter weather advisory through midnight, folks, as the snow will continue in our area. Another look at that radar showing that band of snow working its way through. As we look at the Twin Cities, we still have some unsettled conditions there as well, but it is dry in the Southern Valley towards Fergus Falls, where reports of upwards of 6 to 8 inches fell there. The storm system winds through the Great Lakes, the Ohio River Valley, and makes its way all the way down to the Mississippi Delta. Here is a look at your temperatures right now. Most of us are in the teens across eastern North Dakota, and we have some 20s to report, including Fargo. Grand Forks, 18 degrees. It's 20 for Baudette and 21 in both Fergus Falls and Detroit Lakes. Right now, out at Hector International with a view from our Dakota Magic Casino cam. Reduced visibilities in different areas of the region. 21 degrees with an east-northeast wind. As we mentioned yesterday, not expecting a lot of that wind. It's about 10 miles per hour. Your hour-by-hour forecast for this evening shows this band here between Highway 2 and Interstate 94 continues to slowly lift north towards the 10 o'clock hour, but we still could have some areas of wintry nonsense continuing into the evening. Temperatures slowly falling. Skies will remain cloudy overnight, and then after about 1 in the morning, things wrap up with this system. I believe an additional 1 to 2 inches will be highly likely between I-94 and Highway 2. As this storm lifts northward, you may get some more snow in northwest Minnesota as well. Tomorrow morning, temperatures in the single digits for many. We warm up again, particularly in parts of central Minnesota. Another day in the 20s, and although a cloudy day, we'll have light winds and temperatures will be fairly pleasant. So here's a look at your planning forecast in Fargo. 9 to start your morning out. A northwest wind becomes more westerly late in the day, and then I'm anticipating a temperature kissing 20 degrees with no additional significant snowfall, but there's more in the forecast. One moment on that. Temperatures for your afternoon drive home in Devils Lake, 14, 15 in Langdon, 21 in Roseau, and 18 tomorrow afternoon in Fergus Falls. Okay, yes, by golly, we'll have more snow on Friday. This system looks like it will make its way through Friday evening into Saturday morning with a similar track, the Southern Valley into central and northern Minnesota. And the snowfall potential could certainly change, but it looks very similar to this last round for us, although I don't think we'll see the 6 inches to a foot like we saw toward the Twin Cities. A beautiful misty morning in Winterborn Whitechurch. Thanks, Maggie, for uploading your photo. Here's a look at the planning forecast. So tomorrow, a break from snowy weather. It returns, and it's a flaky Friday, particularly Friday night into Saturday. For the weekend, we can't rule out some more snow as we go through Saturday morning. That one ends. Then another light snow event with some wind on Sunday. But another measurable event looks like it could take place on Tuesday as some mighty chilly air pushes its way into the valley.
It's got to end soon, right? March. It's going to be March soon, and
yeah.
You know.
How many pages away is August? We can
right.
have a little confidence in that.
Thanks, Edge.
Yeah.